Hello friends, and in this video we will talk about what are the different things that you can do with this button, which is clear drop down list. Let us click on this. Once you click on this, it says delete unwanted items from drop down list. Now if you remember in the first video or the second video when we were trying to do or manage the employee database, we added this position which is officer. Now in your office, if you do not have this position, say for example analyst is not there, you can go ahead, click on it and click on this delete button. It will give you a message, are you sure you want to remove the selected item from this list? If you are sure and you want to remove it, go ahead and click yes. That option is gone. The selected item has been removed from the list. Click OK. Similarly, you can click the unwanted departments that you have in your office, the business list. If you do not want catering, if you do not want engineering, then go ahead and remove them. Similarly, in the office expenses list, if you don't want entertainment to be there as an option, you can go ahead, select it and click on this red X icon. So that is what you can do with this delete unwanted items from the drop down list. Again, click on the home button and it will take us back to the main menu. In the next video, we will be talking about how to manage user access.